boy, me. My name's AJ Austin, and this is the new Milwaukee prototype Bruiser frame. Got a couple of new things right here. It's gonna be real tight. Let me show you what's good. First, we got that limited edition curved C-tube, because you know what's good. You know how we do. Got that same gussets, the original fixed gear freestyle frame. It's what's good. And I also got this stem because it's made out of adamantium. Also, this wheel is good for racism. Grips, because they're good. Shake your money, you know what I mean? It's integrated headset. He has a mid-bottom bracket now. It also has a 135 rear. No other bike has that going on right now. That sounds fucking stupid. So you can fit fatter tires. This is a 47 right here, but it can fit up to like a 2.5. And the 135 makes the chain line a lot better, more rideable. Yeah, and then everything else I had to pay money for, so I'm not gonna talk about it. But yeah, these are the new Bruisers, and they're pretty rad. Thanks.